Hello, this is what I got going this morning, putting some frets in. I already prepared the length and polished the ends, so hopefully I won't have to revisit that after they're in, but if I do, I guess I'll just repolish the ends. So I place it in as best centered as I can feel with my fingers. I'm going to set my camera up here. Hopefully it won't fall down. And then I take and use this special tool with my drill press as a arbor press. Just center it on the fret and watch very closely as I'm applying pressure, and watch it just smoosh right down and seat right flush. Just kiss the fretboard that I've already leveled with straight edge and sandpaper. So hopefully when I'm all done, this will play decently. All right, thank you.